Hi everyone, so here's an interesting app called Charging Engine 4K Wallpapers. So this app is focusing exactly on wallpapers, lock screens when you are charging your phone. So you can add just amazing charging animation, 4K HD live wallpapers, multi-charging style, custom charging show. Like, of course, it doesn't look exactly like that, but it's like pretty cool app. So you can see the average ratings are pretty good. Yeah, so let's just open up this app. This is how it looks like. Of course, there are some ads, but then yeah, we'll just open the app. And then free for new user. So yeah, and then I'm instantly required to upgrade here. Can I just, okay, so finally I can try the app without this. So yeah, there are all these charging animations, and then I can try to install it, but I still need to